I am Dr. W. B. Gunole from Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the two important parts. One is the applications of trans effect, and second part is the factors affecting the rate of substitution reaction. As we know what is trans effect, it is the effect of the group attached to the metal in the complex which direct the group to go to the trans position. So this is the trans effect, and now important theories are there of the trans effect. One is a electrostatic polarization theory, and second is the pi bonding theory. We have seen how trans effect depends upon the ligand. Different ligand also have different trans directing ability, and today we are discussing what are the applications of trans effect. That by using this, as per the our desire, complex can be synthesized by using the trans effect, and also after that we are discussing what are the factors which affecting the rate of the substitution reaction. So in today's part we are discussing two important topics. So today's topic is the reaction mechanism of transition metal complexes, and in this part number 3 we are discussing the two important parts, that is the applications of trans effect and factor affecting the rate of substitution reaction in complexes. So these are the two important part, and in case of application of trans effect, here is given. So this trans effect is useful to synthesize the desired complex. As we know what is the trans effect, and trans effect is the ability of attached group to direct substitution into the trans position, and this is known as the trans effect. And trans effect, there are two important theories. One is the electrostatic polarization theory and pi bonding theory. In order to explain the trans effect, number of theories are there, but these two theories are important and we have discussed, and today we are discussing this is the application of trans effect. This trans effect is useful to synthesize the desired complexes, and one example is given of the synthesis of cis platinum Cl2 NH2 or cis complex. So here this is the first example of synthesis of cis platinum Cl2 NH3. So diamino dichloroplatinum complex. So in this case, this is the reaction is shown here. This is the platinum Cl4 and 2 minus complex, square planar complex, and in this case trans effect of Cl is greater than NH3. So there is a removal of, in this case trans effect of Cl is greater than NH3. We have seen the different ligand having different trans directing ability. So Cl have greater than ammonia, and here Cl is removed, this is underlined, this Cl is get removed, and in place of that we are substituting ammonia. So here we obtain, in place of Cl now here is a NH3. Now Cl is a trans to NH3. Here see now here NH3 and Cl is a trans, is not replaced because ammonia has less trans effect than Cl. So Cl trans to ammonia is not replaced because ammonia has less trans effect than Cl. And now another Cl is removed here, this is underlined, this Cl can be removed, and we obtain and substituted the plus NH3. So here again now NH3. So 1, 2, and this is the cis product because similar groups are present on the one side. So cis product we get in this case. So as per our requirement, we can synthesize cis or trans. So in this case we obtain cis product. So this is the complex which is known as platinum cis platinum Cl2 NH3 twice. So this complex we have synthesized. Cis is the product. Cis product is there. So this is the one application of the trans effect, and so on the basis of this we have synthesized the cis product. So again here this is the here trans effect of Cl is greater than NH3. So first we have removed Cl, substituted NH3, another Cl is removed from this, and this cannot be here this Cl cannot be removed, because here is given Cl trans to ammonia. This Cl trans to ammonia is not in place, because ammonia has less trans effect as compared to Cl, and therefore this Cl can be removed and not this one, trans to Cl. So here we obtain the CH product. So this is the first synthesis of CH product. Second reaction is given, and it is the synthesis of trans platinum Cl to NaC twice. Now we get in this case the trans product. How we get the trans product is given here. This is the tetramine platinum square planar complex. So in this case now, here this is underlying group, this ammonia can be removed and plus Cl is added. So here in place of NH3, Cl is here. And in this case now, trans effect of Cl is greater than NH3. And therefore this, in this case now, trans effect of Cl is greater than NH3. Therefore Cl trans, this ammonia group can be, trans group ammonia can be removed, not this one. So this is removed, and again now minus NH3 and plus Cl. And so in this case, here we get Cl. We have substituted in place of this. So now this is the trans product, because similar groups are present oppositely. So this is the trans product. So as per the desired, we can synthesize CH product or trans product. So this is the trans product we obtain. So here we have taken the tetramine platinum square planar complex, and one by one ammonia is removed, the second, and in place of that we obtain this trans product, and Cl is substituted. So this is second one, synthesis of trans product, platinum Cl2 diamino dichloroplatinum, trans product. So this is the trans. And third example is synthesis of CH, C2H4 NH3 Cl2. So this is the different product and different complex. Now it is CH. So we are going to synthesize CH. So in this case now we have taken tetrachloroplatinum square planar complex. Now from this Cl can be removed, and in place of that we are substituting NH3. So here this is underlying group. So in place of this Cl, here is a ammonia, NH3 group. And now in second time we have to remove this Cl, and in that case we have to substitute ethylene. So ethylene C2H4 is here. Now similar groups are one side. So again now this is the CH product. This is the third complex synthesis by using this. And here now question is there, why trans effect? In this case trans effect of Cl is greater than NaC, therefore this Cl can be removed, as the trans effect of Cl is more as compared to ammonia, and therefore this Cl is removed, and we in place of that ethylene is there. So this is the CH product. In the similar way, in the fourth synthesis of trans, we obtain in this way. So here it is shown here. This is tetrachloroplatinum complex, square planar complex. Now this Cl is removed, and in place of C2H4. So this is the, here C2 ethylene is substituted. Another Cl is removed, and in place of the ammonia is now substituted. Now in this case trans effect of ethylene is greater than Cl, and therefore this is removed. So here trans to this Cl, trans to ethylene, and because ethylene have greater trans effect as compared to the Cl, and now ammonia is substituted. So here, so similar similar groups are present oppositely. So in this way we obtain the trans product. So as per our desired, we can synthesize CH or trans, and by on the basis of trans effect, these are the product we get, CH and trans product. So these are the applications of trans effect. We can synthesize the complexes by use of the trans effect, and we obtain the desired complex. And next part is the some factors are here which are affecting the rate of substitution reaction in the complexes. Three important factors are there. One is the trans effect, Second is the effect of leaving group, that is ligand, and third is the effect of solvent. So three factors are there. First factor, in this case, different factors are there, and various factors that affect the rate of substitution reaction in square planar complexes are there, and three important factors we are discussing here. Number one is the trans effect, and in case of trans effect is the important, already we have seen what is the trans effect, also affect the rate of substitution reaction in the complexes. As we know, trans effect of ligand L affect the rate of substitution reaction at position trans to L. As we have seen, what is the trans effect of ligand L affect the rate of substitution reaction at the position trans to L, and here is shown. This is the platinum complex, square planar, 2 Cl are here, NH3 and another ligand is here, plus pyridine ligand. So this is the pyridine here, in place of here, underline this group, and here pyridine is now substituted here, and Cl is removed. In this case, ligand L may be, in this case this ligand may be ethylene, NO2, Br minus or chloride. So ligand may be ethene, nitrite, bromide or chloride. So in this way we here we obtain this type of product. And trans effect of, as we know, trans effect order is shown here. Trans effect of ethylene is greater than NO2, it is greater than Br, and Br is having greater than Cl. It means that L is a ethylene, it means that L is ethylene, then reaction is faster as compared to other. So here is given L equals to ligands. L is a, when ligand L, ethylene, nitrite, bromide, chloride. So their rate of relative rate, ethylene is greater 100, this is having 93 and 1. So see the rate of relative rate of the reaction shown here. So trans effect also affect the rate of substitution reaction, and it depends upon the ligand. And so this is the first factor, and after that we are taking next factor is the effect of leaving group ligand. This is also very important. Leaving group ligand can also affect the rate of substitution reaction in the complexes. The rate of substitution reaction depends upon the leaving group shown here in the reaction. So this is the complex platinum, dine and X, and plus complex. So here Y is added. So in place of X is removed, and in place of that Y is substituted. So X is removed and Y is substituted. Now in this reaction, X is a leaving group. In this reaction, X is a leaving group or ligand, and therefore replacement of X follow this type of order. It is shown here. Cl is equals to Br minus equal to I, which is greater than N3, then HCl, NO2 minus Cl minus. This is the order of replacement, and from this order it is clear that we can say that ligand Cl, Bri are replaced easily, while N3 minus, SCl minus, NO2 minus, Cl minus ligands are difficult to replace. So from this order we can say that this is the order replacement of X, the replacement of X ligand follow the order. This is the order, and therefore from this order it is clear that ligands like Cl minus, Br minus, I minus are replaced easily, while other ligands are difficult to replace. So this is the effect of leaving group. And here the behavior of halide is remarkable because strength of the metal ligand bond changes with the change of halides. So here how the strength is there. So metal iodide is greater than EmBr, which is greater than EmCl. Therefore, we can say that Cl should be replaced easily. So from this order also we can say that Cl can be replaced very easily. So this is the example, second factor which affect the rate of substitution reaction. So leaving group also affect the rate of substitution reaction. And another factor is there. What is that? Is the third number, effect of solvent. And as we know, the rate of substitution reaction in square planar complexes also depend on the solvent. Consider here now, considering the example of substitution reaction which is shown here. This is the trans complex, platinum complex, pyridine to Cl2. And in this case plus Cl we have added and having the low concentration. And we obtain trans platinum pyridine to Cl2 plus Cl minus. So when Cl minus is in a low concentration, now there are two important points. When Cl minus is taken in a low concentration, then there are some solvent whose rate of exchange does not depend on the concentration of Cl. These solvents are good coordinating solvent. Solvent effect is nothing but the coordinating effect, and order is shown here. DMSO is greater than water, then it is greater than methyl nitrite or nitromethane, and after that ROH alcohol. So this is the order of the solvent effect or coordinating effect. So DMSO have greater effect as compared to H2O, which is having greater than nitromethane and then alcohol. And second important point is that there are some solvent whose rate of exchange depend on the concentration of Cl minus, and therefore these solvents are poor coordinating solvent. So these are the good solvent, coordinating solvent. But second is also there. What is? There are some solvent whose rate of exchange depends on the concentration of Cl. In that case, such solvents are poor coordinating solvent. So these are the three factors which are affecting the rate of substitution reaction. One is a trans effect that we have seen. This is the trans effect, also affect the rate of substitution reaction in the complexes, and this is the example of ligands. And second factor is the effect of leaving group or ligand, show the different ligand or different ability, and therefore leaving group also affect the rate of substitution. Here example we have given which ligand can be removed easily, and ClBrI and N3 thiocyanate, nitrite, CN ligands are difficult to replace, and in case also halide, Cl should be replaced easily. And third solvent is the effect of solvent. So in this case this reaction is given, and so this is the order of ligand, solvent which are good, have the solvent effect or coordinating effect, but some solvents are there in which the concentration of Cl is depend upon the exchange of this solvent rate. In case of some solvent, the rate of exchange depends on the concentration of Cl. In that case, such type of solvents are the poor coordinating solvent. So in today's part we have discussed two important topics. One is a application of trans effect. By using the application of trans effect, we have seen the different types of complexes can be synthesized, cis and trans, as per the desired complexes can be synthesized by use of the trans effect. And second part we have seen the factor which are affecting the rate of substitution reaction, and important trans effect, effect of leaving group ligand, and the effect of solvent. We have seen three important factors which are affecting the rate of substitution reaction. So today we stop here, and in the next part we will discuss the what is that, the another reactions, different types of reaction.